Hey, future doctors! Welcome back to MDCAT Warriors, your one-stop channel for all things MDCAT, motivation, and strategy. Whether you're preparing for MDCAT 2025 or reflecting on your results from MDCAT 2024, you're in the right place to stay focused, organized, and motivated. Today's video is packed with essential study tips, exam preparation strategies, and some important updates about MDCAT that you won't want to miss. Stick around till the end because I've got a critical message that will change your approach to this exam season. MDCAT, climate change, what's happening? Let's address the elephant in the room. MDCAT might be going through some changes, and I know there's a lot of anxiety surrounding it. As of now, there are no official announcements, but higher authorities are pushing for a shift to a SAT-based exam, which could potentially be conducted online. Sounds intimidating, right? Don't stress about it too much just yet. I'll cover all the details on how to prepare for an online exam in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. Right now, whether you're an MDCAT 2025 aspirant or someone who didn't do as well in MDCAT 2024, what's most important is focusing on your studies. I'll be sharing some effective strategies that will help you get back on track and ace your preparation. Study tips: how to study from provincial books. For those gearing up for MDCAT 2025, let's talk about study materials. The foundation of your preparation lies in provincial textbooks. These books cover the syllabus comprehensively, and mastering them is key to your success. Here's how you can make the most out of them: highlight key points, use different colors to make the important information stand out. For example, grab a pink highlighter to underline the lines that feel crucial to you. This visual cue will help you focus on key areas during revision. Yellow for super important info. Use a yellow highlighter for the must-know concepts, definitions, and facts. These are the core details you absolutely cannot afford to miss. Highlight definitions. For specific terms and definitions, use a different colored highlighter, maybe green or blue, and box them in. These will help you spot them easily when revising. Study techniques for procrastinators and short attention spans. Not everyone can sit down and study for long hours. If you tend to procrastinate or can't focus for too long, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll be posting a detailed video on how to study efficiently, packed with strategies that'll help you stay on track, even if studying isn't your favorite thing to do. But here's a sneak peek: use timers, set study sessions using the Pomodoro technique or any other timer method that works for you. Break your study time into manageable chunks, e.g., 25 minutes of focus, followed by a 5-minute break. This way, you can study without feeling overwhelmed. Create a study-only space. Your study environment matters. Find a quiet, cozy place that is well lit and free from distractions. Make sure this space is dedicated solely to studying, so your brain automatically switches to study mode when you sit there. How to utilize multiple textbooks. If you're using Punjab textbooks, start with them and make sure you cover all the content thoroughly. Once you're comfortable, look for additional information in other provincial textbooks that isn't included in your primary books. Write down these extra details in the margins or as sticky notes so you can easily incorporate them into your revision. Write your own notes. Trust me, writing helps cement ideas in your mind. Summarize concepts, solve physics and chemistry problems, and write your own notes. This way, you'll retain the information far better than if you just read passively. The importance of practice. When it comes to subjects like physics and chemistry, practice is key. After learning a concept, immediately solve problems related to it. This will help you understand your strengths and weaknesses. Use video lectures. If a topic still confuses you, don't hesitate to check out video lectures. Visual explanations can help clarify tough concepts. But remember to keep practicing once you've understood the theory. Organize your notes smartly. If there's additional information you want to add to a topic, write it down on sticky notes and place them directly on your textbooks. This way, everything you need is in one place when you're revising. Focus on what you can control. While the MDCAT 2025 format is still uncertain, don't let it distract you from what you can control. Right now, your job is to study hard and master every concept from A to Z, dive deep into every detail in your textbooks. If you need help with any specific topics, feel free to ask in the comments section. I'm here to guide you. Discipline over motivation, the key to success. Now, here's the important point I promised to mention at the end. Listen carefully, because this is where your success truly lies. Discipline beats motivation every time. Motivation is great, it's a dopamine rush, but it can be short-lived. Discipline, however, is what will get you through the tough times. If you decide to wake up at 4 a.m. to study, make sure you follow through on that commitment. If you've set a goal to study for 10 hours a day, then stick to it. The more disciplined you are, the greater your chances of getting into your dream medical university. It's in Allah's hands, but remember, He rewards effort. So give it your all, stay disciplined, and stay focused. Stay connected. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions or need guidance on specific topics, feel free to drop them in the comments section. I'm always here to help you succeed in your MDCAT journey. Make sure to subscribe to MDCAT Warriors for more tips, strategies, and updates on MDCAT 2025. And don't forget, discipline, not motivation, will get you to the top. Keep working hard and stay focused.